Go to geek4me.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. Geek4me.com, fast, local and reliable. This is the Thermaltake Toughpower GT, which is a fully modular PC power supply. We have the 850 watt version in a clean white snow finish. The power supply is aimed at modern gaming and creator builds that want a tidy look and up-to-date connections. The big headline with this one is that it's built around the newer ATX 3.1 standard, and it's also rated as 80 plus gold for efficiency, which basically means it's designed to waste less power compared to older, lower rated units. For graphics card, Thermaltake includes a native PCIe 12 volt 2x6 cable, which is the newer 12 volt high power connector used in a lot of next generation GPUs. Cooling is handled by a 120mm hydraulic bearing fan, and around the back you've got the usual power sockets and rocker switch. You've also got a Smart Zero fan switch, which is designed to keep fan noise down at lighter loads and then ramp up cooling when the power supply is actually being pushed. In terms of protection, you've got the usual safety features you'd expect in a modern power supply, and Thermaltake backs it with a 5-year warranty. Design-wise, this model is all about the white theme. The main body is bright white with the Thermaltake logo centered on the fan grille. Realistically though, how much you'll actually see depends on your case and how the power supply unit mounts, because in a lot of builds it's hidden away at the bottom compartment. On the sides you've got large white model stickers for branding, and from most angles they blend in well enough that it doesn't just look like a random label slapped on. Then on the top there's the spec sticker with the full power ratings and details. Because it's fully modular, you only need to plug in the cables that you need, so you don't end up with loads of unused wires stuffed in the PSU shroud. The included cables are flat and white, so they're easy to route and they sit neatly. One thing worth mentioning though is the cable clips are not the tightest we've come across. If you pull the cable at an angle while you're routing the cabling, it can unclip more easily than you'd expect. So once your build is finished, it's a good idea to double check every connector is pushed in firmly before you power on the system. Before buying a power supply, the main thing is always wattage. Use an online PSU calculator, give yourself some breathing room for upgrades, and don't aim for the absolute minimum. The packaging is the usual black and grey style from Thermaltake, with the power supply image front and centre, plus key callouts like their 850 watt rating, the 5-year warranty, Smart Zero fan, ATX 3.1 support and PCIe Gen 5.1 readiness. The sides and the back go into more details, specs and features. Inside the box, the power supply itself comes wrapped in a cloth bag, and the modular cables come in a separate cloth bag as well. You also get a mains power cable, mounting screws, clear plastic cable ties and the usual paperwork. So in conclusion, this 850 watt Snow model is also available in black, and the Toughpower GT range comes in other wattage options as well. But the exact cable selection and connector layout can vary depending on what wattage you choose. The power supply looks good, we can't hear it over the rest of the system, so it's extremely quiet and has good airflow, but unfortunately you do have that slight issue with the cables not clicking in fully, so make sure once you finish building that all the cables are clicked in properly into the connectors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.